In this section of New York City Building Code 2014, I am reviewing the important highlighted info that I learned from the 40-hour Site Safety Manager course in the following 3301.9 required signs. First info is basic overview with some exceptions. 3301.911 is project information panel content. Project information panels shall be the following information. 1. A rendering, elevation drawing, or zoning diagram of the building exterior that does not contain logos or commercially recognized symbols. 2. A title stating work in progress and specifying the intended types of zoning used, aka residential, commercial, manufacturing, retail, office, hospital, school. 3. Anticipated project completion date. 4. The corporate name, address, and telephone number of the owner of the property. 5. Website, address, or phone number to contact for project information. 6. The corporate name and telephone number of the general contractor, or for demolition site, the demolition contractor. 7. The statement in both English and Spanish to anonymously report unsafe conditions at this work site, call 311. And 8. A copy of the primary project permit with accompanying text. And the next piece of info that was highlighted is in 3301.912, posting of project information panels. Project information panels shall be posted on the fence on each perimeter, fronting a public thoroughfare where such perimeter is more than 150 feet in length. A project information panel shall be posted at each corner. Such panels shall be posted on the fence at a height of 4 feet above the ground, and that distance is measured from the ground to the bottom edge of the panel. Now, the sign, project information panel, in the next section, shall be constructed out of durable and weatherproof materials such as vinyl, plastic, or aluminum, and it shall be flame retardant. Next section is the actual sign, size of the sign. Project panels shall be 6 feet wide and by 6 feet high. And of course, it shall be written in Calibri font. The letters are a minimum of 1 inch high. And letters shall be white with a blue background. Now, the exception 1 there, the dimensions for a project information panel posted in conjunction with a demolition project shall be 2 feet, 4 inches wide by 4 feet high. And exception 2 for construction sites with a street frontage less than 60 feet, the project information panel shall be 55 inches wide by 36.5 inches high. Now, the key pieces on the panel are as follows as the section above that gave the 8 different points that belong on the panel. So my next section, we looked at nothing really sticking out that needs to be discussed. You have the sidewalk parapet panels containing the following info, which is basically the kind of the same as before: street address, the name of the contractor. The next info that's important is in 3301.922. Number 2, sidewalk shed parapet panel should be posted on the parapet that runs along the long axis of the sidewalk's shed. Now, number 2 shall be posted at least 3 feet and no more than 6 feet from the left edge of the sidewalk, and that is from the view of the person out on the sidewalk facing the building. And then once we get past same info. Well, now we get to the sidewalk and shed parapet panel specifications in 3301924. Sidewalk shed parapet panel shall be 3 feet high and 6 feet wide. Now the sign shall be white background, written in Calibri, and the letters shall be of a blue color. That is for pretty similar content. Now, if you go to 3301931, sign content and posting, one or more signs are needed to accommodate the following information shall be posted on the fence on each perimeter fronting a public thoroughfare at a height of no more than 12 feet above the ground, with such distance measured from the ground to the top of the sign. And it's the following: the name, address, and telephone number of the owner of the property. 2, name, address, and telephone number of the general contractor, or for demolition site or demolition contractor, and posting both in English and Spanish. Number 3, anonymously report unsafe conditions to 311. And the fence sign specifications at 3301933. Fence signs shall be constructed of 3/4 inch plywood or material of equivalent strength, durability, and weatherproofing, but not limited to sheet metal, aluminum, vinyl, or plastic. The letters on such signs shall be black on a white background. Such signs shall be no larger than needed to accommodate the information required, and the letters no less than 3 inches high. I have covered the key information that is in this section. So we meet again. Take care.